Okay, I made some additions to my system since the last few videos I made. I did finally receive the Simplex bell that I mentioned in an earlier video. It is a single stroke bell designed to run 4 volts AC at 2.5 amps. That actually presents kind of a problem when finding a power supply for it because it's tough to find one with that high current rating at low voltage. I believe the original design for these older systems was you'd have some of these bells in series. So you'd have 6 4-volt bells equaling 24 volts AC. I believe that's how that worked because I've seen them at 7 volts as well. So what I did was I met it at a happy medium. I got a 9-volt AC transformer at 2 amps, and it does buzz a little bit. It's a little bit too much for it, but I think it'll be okay. So I'll go ahead and set it off, and then I've made some additions to the system in the back to compensate for the extra bell as well. And back here, I made a couple of additions. The external circuit that runs the bells, still this relay. This is the standard electric bell, and this is the new Simplex bell, which runs off of this switch from the notification circuit. There's a detailed explanation of how I set that up in some earlier videos. And then I added this double switch here so that I can control the standard electric bell and the Simplex bell, or both if I want. So that's basically the setup there. I've also, just another note, I moved that standard pull to zone 2 because I've added a coded pull to zone 1, which I will explain in my next video. Thanks.